Hello everyone. I'm Neeraj, and today I would be speaking. I would be explaining the assignment given by Plum, the automated OPD claim adjudication engine. So uh, I built this site. Uh, this is the site for the assignment. Earlier, what happens is people submit their medical bills to claim insurance regarding the policies, all of that. People were required for doing that. So there was manual work needed. But now using this, it is all automated with the help of AI. Uh, this is the site where here the user can submit his bills or files and then run the button. So the AI then it just goes, it reads to the files and then it gives the response like what is the claim, how much amount of money would they claim using the insurance policy, is it accepted or rejected, all of that would be done. So uh, we got uh, we got the rules given by Plum. All of these were followed. The rules were the basic eligibility check, document validation, coverage verification, limit validation, medical necessity review. All of these were included in this. The policy terms were also included. We have got some sample documents also. So the sample documents, we did create our own. I did create my own sample documents. They were not exactly similar to this, but they do work as a medical bill. So now coming to the stack, we used. I created this scalable single page application using React and also did use Tailwind CSS and did try Framer and all of that, but due to the time constraint, these were the uh, technical stack used in it to build this site. The CSS part, the styling is done using Tailwind CSS and React for this page. So now we also did deploy this on render, both backend and front end. The site is live, front end is on live on render, and the backend is also live on render. We used MongoDB for the storage purpose. Database storage is done using MongoDB. So we'll go with the workflow of the site. Uh, there were many test cases involved. Let me uh, run with some of those. So I want to attach files. See, this is my custom each case. I did create it. What it is, the bill amount claiming is 350 in the file, but as per policy, the minimum amount should be greater than 500. So what happens is the engine rejects this file. We did plus attach it. Now we'll be running it. It is running. It takes a few, sometimes few minutes to run, and then we get the output on the right section of the page. There are also, in the meanwhile, you could see there are also two portals over here. One is a claim portal and admin review. Admin portal, we named it as. See, uh, we did get the output. As you could see, the name from the file it extracted the name Amit Sharma. Uh, the settlement computation it gave here is zero, and the policy which it like the infractions and the policy were below minimum amount. So this is the audit log. So extracted patient name Amit Sharma, registration, all of that, the dates, it's valid, the procedure, the fee, everything is given. It also gave the reason. Your claim has been rejected because the total amount below the minimum claim threshold is of rupees 500. Please ensure future claims meet this criteria. You may appeal this decision by providing additional documentation if you believe there was an error. So this is the reason it gave. All of this seems very genuine. So it is indeed satisfying. Now, certainty index. This is the confidence score which I implemented in the side, 95% from the AI side. As earlier I said, the admin panel, the admin dashboard is also integrated in the same page as the claim portal. We didn't create any separate one due to lack of time. Uh, in future scope and enhancements, creating a separate admin dashboard would be considered. So these are the evaluated claims till now. I have evaluated a numerous number of uh, documents. So see the dashboard analytics, 16 claims, automation rate 94%, certainty from the engine, average engine certainty is 96.6%. So these are the wins and the details like this is approved, partially approved, rejected. This did come under manual review. So these are the things the testing we did, and then we would be uploading another file to see uh, this Rajesh Kumar. Uh, I would be opening the file for you. This is how the mock bill I have created. So Rajesh Kumar, and the diagnosis is viral fever. So this is the total amount due. We'll see whether what happens with this document. See, this is partial settlement competition 1400. These are again the extracted details. And then see why 1500. In this bill it was 1500, but under the consultation co-payment, 100 rupees was deducted. So finally the approved is 1400 rupees. Uh, these are the test cases. Uh, in the admin panel, they are being fetched live from the database. You could see all are being added up. CI/CD has also been included in this. As it is deployed live on render, we would be looking on the CI/CD aspect too. Okay. So you could see the plum over here, right? I would be removing this live. Uh, I removed the plum over here, saved it, and now I would be pushing into GitHub. After pushing it to GitHub, render will detect this, and then it will take some time to build automatically, and then see the deploy started for the GitHub push. It's taking some time. It is done. You could see the Plum has been gone, and you got only the claim engine. So CI/CD also been included. So for future enhancement and in future what could be added for this is we will be still more like uh, adding features in this, so it could the site could also read handwritten prescriptions or medical bills, and it could be used for all types of medical documents. Now only the mock ones which I have created, they have been used, uh, but they are working fine for them. So in future we could create them to being used for all type of medical documents. Uh, in the code, you could see you put one prompt. You put one prompt. So what happens is in the site you attach the document and then click on the button. Also using the API, we used Google Gemini's API. So using the API, this prompt is given to the AI engine. So where all the rules and what has to be done, like what has to be checked while uh, while uh, while going with the document, all of this has been mentioned in this, and then you would get the output in this format, and that is what you did see over there. Thank you.